Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change beep volume for your earbuds QCY MeloBuds Pro. You have to start by open QCY application. Now your earbuds should be turned on and connected with the app. Then the application open for you headphones menu. You need to go to the settings at the right top, and right here you need to find beep volume, then tap at this line, and you can change, increase or lower the volume. So by default it's set to high volume. You can increase it to maximum or lower to medium or lower by just tap at this line. You can also try to let's say change the volume and you will hear this beep sound. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.